I'm sorry, because I was sort of looking forward to some discussion after all the talks. I just wanted to say that I think this conference has been very enlightening. It's been really, really good debate and lots of interesting views and important views for us here in Iceland. I also just wanted to stress, because I was coming from the statement of the Nordic Ombudsman of Children. The statement doesn't have, as I said in my talk, the statement doesn't have any suggestion of how this should be sort of taken forward. And in our comment to the Parliament, my office's comment, we emphasized that the penal code is not the way to do it. We discussed the Swedish way, and so we sort of open up that there are lots of ways if we want to regulate or whatever we want to do. So, and I think that what you have been saying here today is really helpful, I think, to take this matter forward. So I just wanted to say this, and I wanted to thank you. It would have been very nice also to have more debate on certain issues that were, but I know the time is up, so maybe we can just take that up outside, or but I really think that this was a debate that was needed in